collection. To add to this collection, yeah. Deerling, reverse hollow, look at that. A reverse hollow gold duck. Ooh, yes. A full heal. That's pretty helpful. A Pidove, which comes from like I forgot the Pokemon. What do you call that anime? The Pokemon Journeys. Yeah, I saw it. Isn't that Chloe? Rhyhorn. Wait a minute. All of them? What the heck was that? What the heck? Did you guys just hear that? There's some weird sound outside. I don't know what the heck that was. It sounded like a UFO. But either way, I'm gonna continue with this opening. I don't know what that was. It's kind of creepy. That actually kind of sounds like something. I don't know. You know, I've been watching cryptid horror stories. I know that could be like a UFO or like some other cryptid. But as we go. But I don't think I have everything. Yeah, I'm gonna keep on looking. I mean, I have like this big pile I just stocked all my Pokemon cards in. Where was it? I know there was like another one. Yeah, these have to be. This one had. Yeah, these are some more. Wait, no, we already did that one. That sound was weird. What was that? I don't know. That kind of scary. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. Scorbunny. Skipbunny. Chargebug. Tell me if I'm pronouncing this right, but Chinchou, whatever. Cresselia. I already have Cresselia. This isn't a new card, by the way. I accidentally put it there. Drober. Clobopus. Electabuzz. Wishy-washy. Medicham is not new. I've been had Medicham. And Grumpig and Pokemon Catcher. Hold up, I know I have it in here. It's new. I just got it. What the heck? Look at this nice focus. Where was it? I literally had it. It was here. I know it was. Don't tell me that alien outside just took it, bro. That thing was strong too. It's in here. I know it is. Because I literally just had it. I literally just organized it like a group. But then I just destroyed the group. I don't even see it.
What are you talking about? Hold on. Let's just talk this over, alright?
We had Chargebug. We have everything in here. I'm turning over all of them. For the last one, there it is. Gliscor. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah. Yeah. And I got some Oreos. Well, bye. Right now, I'm just gonna watch some Pokemon XYZ. So, see y'all later.